Hello children, good morning. I hope you all are very well, right? So today I welcome you all in your science class, okay? So children, till now we have done our chapter number 11, that is light, sound and force, yes? And in previous video which I have sent on Friday, in that video I have recapitulated the whole chapter, yes? So today it's time to take revision test. Okay, so children, I have made all the questions in the form of multiple choice questions. Okay, because in exams, as you know that we are conducting exams on system and the questions are coming in the form of MCQs only, multiple choice questions only. Okay, so I have prepared the demo revision test for you all. So just have a look of it and try to understand that how we will frame the questions in form of MCQs. Okay children, so let's begin our today's test, revision test. Okay, so first of all, after doing your question answers and all things in your notebook, you have to start with it. Okay, so firstly you will write the date. Today is 14th September 2020. Okay, then you have to put the heading revision test. Okay, after that you have to write the heading multiple choice questions. Okay, after that the first question is objects that have light of their own are called. So we all know that what do we call those objects? Yes, children, come on, think on it and tell me what is the answer. Answer is luminous, transparent or shadow. Yes, tell me. Yes, it is, because they are asking about light. Okay, objects that have light of their own, जिनकी खुद की रोशनी होती है, so they are known as luminous objects. Okay, so we will take on luminous. Okay, now next is objects that allows the light to pass through it. Okay, वो object, those objects that allows the light to pass through it, right? जिनके अंदर से हम लाइट जो है वो easily pass हो जाती है. So what do we call those objects? We call them as non-luminous, opaque or transparent. Yes children, think about it. Yes, we call them as transparent objects. Okay, and what are the examples of transparent objects? Like clear glass, like clear water bottle, right? Clear plastic water bottle. All these kinds of examples are the examples of transparent objects. Okay, now let's see the third question. फर्स्ट इंडियन टू वन नोबल प्राइज इन साइंस, है ना? साइंस में इनको फर्स्ट इंडियन थे ये जिनको नोबल प्राइज़ मिला था, है ना? हु वॉज ही वॉज सर सी.वी. रमन, महात्मा गांधी और सुभाष चंद्र बोस. येस, he was Sir C.V. Raman. So we will tick on Sir C.V. Raman. Okay children? Okay, now let's do next questions. Children, next questions are, question number 4 is objects that do not have light of their own are called, है ना? वो object, those objects that do not have light of their own, जिनकी अपनी खुद की light नहीं होती है, what do we call them? Yes, we call them as opaque objects or non-luminous objects or transparent objects. Yes, think, what are opaque objects? The objects that blocks the path of light. Yes, and what are non-luminous? Yes, they do not have light of their own, so non-luminous is the correct answer. Okay, and transparent, they allow light to pass through them. Yes, now see the next question. You can see things only when there is. हम चीज़ों को कब देख सकते हैं? We can see things only when there is a what? Light, shadow or reflection? Yes, when there is light. क्योंकि बिना लाइट के we are unable to see anything, right? हमें कुछ भी नहीं दिखता अगर लाइट नहीं होगी. Then we are unable to see anything, right students? Okay, now let's see the next question. Push or pull is called. Yes, we have read that push or pull is called. Yes, is it called reflection? No. Is it called force? Yes, force, right? Push or pull. Okay, because we have learned it, we have read it, right? Through question answers, through collabs, that push or pull. है ना. जब भी हम कुछ एनर्जी अपनी लगाते हैं पुश करने में या पुल करने में, so at that time force is needed. Yes, so that is called as force. Okay, and C option is opaque, so opaque is a wrong answer. Correct answer is force. Okay, now see which of these has energy stored in it. Okay, so first option is food. अब यहाँ बात हो रही है एनर्जी की, है ना. अब एनर्जी डिपेंड करती है. फूड गिव्स अस एनर्जी. ह्यूमन बीइंग्स को, लिविंग थिंग्स को देता है एनर्जी फूड. ओके. बैटरी गिव्स एनर्जी टू मशीन्स, है ना, लाइक टॉय कार और लाइक वॉल क्लॉक, लाइक दीज थिंग्स. ओके, सो आंसर इज बोथ ऑफ दीज और ओनली फूड और बैटरी, because they both have energy stored in them, so that is why answer is both of these. Okay children, I hope you got the answers. Yes, now let's move on to next questions. Okay children, so next question is question number 8. Dash allows light to pass through it, है ना. Out of the given objects, this thing allows light to pass through it. Okay, let's see which thing we are talking about. Okay, book allows light to pass through it. No. Table, no, table also not allowed to pass light through it. Yes. Now the third option is glass means yes, kaanch. So glass allows light to pass through it, so our answer is glass. Okay children, now see the next question. Our body gets energy from, yes, हमारी body को energy कहाँ से मिलती है? From petrol. Oh, do we drink petrol? No, so it's a wrong option. Battery, we are living things, so we don't need battery. Yes. From food, yes, food is the correct answer, because our body, because all living things get energy from food, right? So the correct answer is food. Okay, now our last question for today is which of these is produced when the path of light is blocked, है ना. जब लाइट का पाथ जो है वो उसको ब्लॉक करते हैं तब क्या प्रोड्यूस होता है, क्या बनता है? साउंड? नो. एनर्जी? नो. शैडो? यस, शैडो इज प्रोड्यूस्ड व्हेन द पाथ ऑफ लाइट इज ब्लॉक्ड, है ना. ये लाइट अगर आ रही है और शैडो, ये बीच में ये आ गया, आपका पाथ ब्लॉक हो गया, ये नीचे देखो ब्लैक पैच जो बना हुआ है, दैट इज नोन एज shadow. Okay, so children, you have to do this test in your notebook in a very neat and clean handwriting, and I have not marked answers in the PDF because I have shown it in the video, right? So you have, that is your test only, so that is why I have not marked answers of revision test, because you have to do it on your own. Okay, if you want to check answers, you can check again from the video or from your textbook or notebook exercises. Okay children, take care, stay safe, stay home. Have a good day everyone. Bye bye.